right, hello everybody. Again, I am Rosie. I'm the camp director at Camp Conshatawba, and I'm super excited for you to join me tonight to learn a little bit more about our Camp at Home program. But first, I wanted to give you a sneak peek of a pre-recorded video and introduce you to our incredible outdoor program team who have worked super hard to put all of this together. So here we go. Hi, I'm Rosie, the camp director at Camp Conshatawba. I am standing here today in our Conestoga cabin unit, which we use during our resident summer camp. My camp name is Rosie, after Rosie the Riveter. Rosie the Riveter inspired women to come together for the common good, which is something that us Girl Scouts do too. At camp, you can find me all over the place, as my job is to make sure people are happy and safe, but my favorite place at camp is the climbing tower. I love to see Girl Scouts climb up the tower, be risk takers, and sail down the zip line. Another place you can find me at camp is at Campfire, where we sing songs, perform skits, and roast marshmallows for s'mores. I have two favorite camp songs, Big Dipper and Green Trees and Taps, which I often sing while I'm roasting my marshmallow to a nice golden brown. That's all from me. I hope to see you soon at Camp Conshatawba.
Hello, I'm Zelda, and I'm the camp director at Camp Skymeadow. I'm here at camp in the Forest Lodge, and I'm so glad that you could join me today as I tell you a bit about myself and Camp Skymeadow. So this camp is the headquarters of our horse program, and it has wide open fields and miles of trails for riding and exploring. My favorite thing to do at Camp Skymeadow is to shoot out on the archery range, which is where I found my camp name after the archer from my favorite video game series, The Legend of Zelda. At Camp Skymeadow, we also have so many activities that include fishing, swimming, canoeing, hiking, and so much more. My favorite places at camp are anywhere near the water or out by the campfire at night, singing down by the bay, looking at the stars, and roasting marshmallows to a nice golden brown. I'm so excited to spend the summer with you and hope to see you at Camp Skymeadow soon.
Hi everybody, my name is Onyx and I'm the camp director at Camp Hawthorne Ridge. I chose the name Onyx because an onyx is a type of stone that repels negative energy and helps promote personal and emotional growth. My favorite place at camp is actually a toss-up between two favorite places. I really love going down to the gorge to look for frogs and salamanders, and I really love swimming in the pool with everybody and playing games. My favorite way to toast a marshmallow is to have it golden brown all over, so I don't like it burnt. I have to be very careful. It takes a very long time, but it's worth it in the end. I hope I get a chance to roast marshmallows with all of you very soon. I'll see you this summer.
Hi all, my name's Ian Brown and I'm the Director of Outdoor Programs. I grew up in Central Ohio and I love to be outside. I still love to be outside. Growing up, I went to several Boy Scout camps and 4-H camps and other camps around the region. I really love to be outside near the water, be it a stream, just looking for crawdads, or swimming or kayaking or boating. I just really love to be in and around the water. My camp name is Donovan, and that's because I'm a big soccer fan and Landon Donovan is my favorite soccer player. As for marshmallows, something that, you know, being around camps and campfires, like having marshmallows is just so exciting and so important. And I think that my favorite type of marshmallow is when you can get it golden brown but not burnt. So you're putting it right next to the ashes into the embers, and getting it just that really crispy brown without being burnt. I look forward to seeing everyone in and around all the camps.
All right, so again, that was our outdoor program team, and we've all been working really hard and we're really excited to bring you our Summer Reimagined Camp at Home program. So tonight I'm going to be talking a little bit about our summer camp program, and we have Zelda and Onyx, who you just met, who are our camp directors at Camp Skymeadow and Camp Hawthorne Ridge, in the comment section, interacting with you all, answering questions. So you can submit your questions in the comments, and I will do my best to answer them live, and we will also dedicate some time in a little bit to address more questions. So a little bit about Camp at Home. So this summer, Girl Scouts Western Pennsylvania is hosting a Camp at Home program that includes a multitude of themes, learning new skills, and badge opportunities. So we have everything from an eco extravaganza week that includes a virtual nature hike through Camp Conshatawba and learning about Leave No Trace, one of my favorites, to an out of this world week that is all about space and exploring our solar system, to a healthy self, happy self week that highlights how staying healthy ultimately makes us happy and the benefits of things like self-care, and we have so many other offerings as well. A camp session costs $25, and that includes 4 Zoom sessions through the week with the camp directors, skill building, and a badge mailed to you in August. Financial aid opportunities are available, and you can visit our website at gswpa.org to learn more about that. The general structure is that we will have a set meeting time on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. And during that time, it's 30 minutes for daisies, brownies, juniors, and cadets, and 1 hour for senior and ambassadors for each meeting time. And during that time, we'll discuss multiple topics, do fun activities, and complete badge requirements. There's also pre-recorded content available on Wednesdays, just like the video we just saw. And those will have videos from everything from fun activities you can complete on your own, virtual nature hikes, how to make outdoor music, and you will get to meet our rangers. So we'll have a series of Meet the Ranger videos where you get to meet our camp rangers, learn all about them, and all of the incredible things that they do for our resident camps. We're also excited to announce that on Monday we will have a family fun night for campers and their families who are registered for that camp session. And during this time we will meet on Zoom, we'll play games, spend time with fellow Girl Scouts, and have a lot of fun. On Wednesdays on Facebook Live at 6:30 p.m., so just like we are right now, we'll also be having a virtual campfire where we'll sing songs, roast marshmallows together, talk about our favorite things at camp, and more. Through our camp sessions, we'll be interacting through an online platform, Rallyhood, which is the same platform that we use to share photos and memories during resident camp. And that's going to include messages from the camp directors through the week, additional videos like the ones I talked about, additional links for you to explore more and learn, and files with companion guides that are going to have additional activities for you to complete with your friends and family or your troop, and more. So each session has limited spots to enhance the overall experience for each Girl Scout. So we want you to hurry and register now. You can visit gswpa.org for all of the details and a link to register. And like I said, we have Zelda and Onyx in the comments tonight, and they will also put that link there, so look out for that. So we want to hear from you. Which Camp at Home programs are you most looking forward to? So Tamika in our comment section asked a great question. How do I register for camp? So again, you're going to go onto our website, and the link is posted in this comment section for you to follow, and that's going to have more information about all of the sessions that we're running through our 8-week Camp at Home program, and a link to register just like you would for any other normal program through our council. So somebody said they are excited for Eco Learner and Space, so our Eco Extravaganza week. That's the one I'm super excited for. It starts on Monday, and we'll be learning about Leave No Trace, how we can make a difference in the outdoors, and we'll enjoy time reflecting on our own favorite outdoor adventures. Just like in my intro video, one of my favorite things to do outside is rock climb and watch Girl Scouts rock climb. So we also will do some basic knot tying of knots that we use at camp, so I'm very excited for that. We have some people saying Girl Outdoor for cadets. Yeah, with Girl Outdoor, you're gonna learn all about the outdoors, how to hike through the backcountry, how to be prepared on your outdoor adventures, how to practice Leave No Trace. Some more fun is our cooking session. So during that session, we're gonna learn how to prepare basic camp meals. We'll prepare those together and then you will cook and enjoy those later with an adult present. The Artrageous Outdoors, that also starts on Monday, and that session is going to be all about art in the outdoors. Everywhere you go, there's art, so we're really excited for that, and that's also going to include a segment on making music in the outdoors and nature photography. We have somebody saying they're excited for our Out of This World session. I'm also very excited for that one. We're going to have tons of activities. We're going to visit NASA on a virtual field trip. We're going to hear from Girl Scout alums that now work for NASA. I'm incredibly excited for that. Tamika asked another great question. Can our friends register too? Yes. So registration is open to all. If you are not currently a Girl Scout, that is okay. There is a link for you to register as a Girl Scout in order to register for our camp sessions. We would love if you and your friends joined us. If we have some troops that come together and all join sessions, that would be phenomenal. We're just so excited to bring this program to you and spend our summer with you. So I'm gonna let some more comments and questions filter in, and I'm just gonna go through some tips and tricks for our Summer Reimagined and Camp at Home program for Girl Scouts and adults. So we are asking for Girl Scouts to be supervised by an adult during program times. This will help ensure the safety of all of our Girl Scouts and campers so we can keep completing our badge requirements, having fun, doing activities. One question we have received is, what if I miss a Zoom or I have something else going on? We do have Girl Scouts from across the nation joining our Camp at Home program, which I am so excited about. So if somebody does miss a Zoom for timing purposes, no worries. All of our Zoom sessions will be recorded and posted into Rallyhood for the remainder of that week to watch or watch again and again and again. We have some really cool stuff planned out. Another question we have received is, can I register for more than one session? Yes, you can register for as many sessions as you would like. Katie asked, do I get a patch or a badge? Yes, so you will earn a badge with our Camp at Home program, and those will be mailed out on August 15th. Somebody says, is this the actual badge that goes on the front of the vest? Yes, that is correct. So you will not need to purchase that badge from our Girl Scout store. We will be sending that out to you on August 15th, and then you'll be able to put it right on your Girl Scout vest. Let's see what other questions or comments we have. So we have Zelda, our camp director at Camp Skymeadow, and she says, I'm most excited for some more fun. I love to cook indoors and outdoors. And we do a lot of that at summer camp. We have Onyx, who is our camp director at Camp Hawthorne Ridge, saying, I'm most excited for the Artrageous Outdoors. And she says, if you're interested in learning more about outdoor art, join me next week for our very first session. Lots of people excited for our Out of This World week, which is so awesome. So again, registration is limited just to have an overall enhanced quality for our Girl Scouts and to be able to interact with each other. So register now. We have somebody asking, are there supply lists for camps? Yes. So once you register for camp, you will receive a confirmation packet that will have program supplies listed. As just a side note, all of the program supplies that we are asking you to provide are very general supplies that you will hopefully already have at your home or be able to get. And we will also have alternatives listed for those program supplies should you not have that supply or should you not be able to find that supply. Somebody's asking, what if you already have the badge? So her daisy already has all of her petals, but she wants to do some more fun. So that's okay. She can still participate and she can receive the petals again, or she can just choose to participate and acknowledge that she has already completed that petal, which is awesome. So great job. So we have somebody saying, will we get a badge? Oh, and a patch, yes. So you will also get a camp patch with every session that you attend. And our camp patch this summer is really cool. It has that butterfly graphic that you saw in that video we played, that sneak peek video of getting to know our camp directors. All right, let's see what other questions we have. There's also an opportunity right now to receive a More to Explore Girl Scout patch. So if you renew your membership by June 30th, so the end of this month, June 30th, you will receive a More to Explore Girl Scout patch. And we have Katie asking, I heard there might be camp kits. What are those? So our incredible retail team with our Girl Scout Western Pennsylvania Council has worked really hard to put together some really cool kits for you. And these kits have everything that you might need on your outdoor adventure. And you can visit our website for more information on all of those. We have things from a flashlight to a compass, journals, stickers, water bottles, hats, shirts, anything you can possibly imagine, we have. So you can check that out at our website, again, which is gswpa.org. All right. And one thing I did want to point out is that our sessions are separated out by Girl Scout grade level. So we will have the daisies in one session, we'll have brownies and juniors together in one session, cadets are in a session, and senior and ambassadors are in a session. So all of the content has really been created and curated specifically for your Girl Scout and things that she needs to work towards to earn her badge for each week. Somebody's asking, I have a daisy who is bridging to brownies. Congratulations. Will she register as a daisy or a brownie? So if she is bridging right now to a brownie, you would want to register her as a brownie. And our system that you do registration in generally can automatically detect that. So you should be okay to register. If you have any problems, please reach out at any time to our customer care team or any of the camp directors. And also, the camp kits that we talked about are not required, so they are just a fun addition to your Camp at Home Summer Reimagined. All right, let's see what other people are asking. So somebody did ask, Is there a minimum requirement to run a summer camp session? The answer is yes, similar to a resident camp program. So that's a great question. Our goal is to provide programming to as many girls as possible. If there's a concern about a session's ability to run, you can reach out to the camp directors, or we'll reach out to you on how to best serve you and your Girl Scout this summer. So I'm going to talk about some of the fun activities that we're going to have this summer during our Camp at Home program. So next week, like I said, we have our Eco Extravaganza running and our Artrageous Outdoors running. And those badges are the outdoor art badges and the eco badges that your Girl Scout will earn. And some of the fun activities that we're going to do with the daisies is make flower crowns. We're going to create our own national park. For brownies and juniors, we're going to have a knot tying competition. We're going to prepare a basic camp meal together that you can enjoy later with your family. For cadets, we're going to talk about why conservation of the outdoors is so important and how we can make an impact and create awareness. And for senior and ambassadors, we're going to talk again about conservation, why it's so important. We're going to explore careers in the eco field, and then we're going to have a workshop about advocacy for the outdoors. In our outdoor art, we're going to have a nature scavenger hunt. We're going to listen to the sounds of nature and make your own music outdoors. We're going to find art supplies outdoors. And we're going to learn about nature photography and what that entails. And again, every Wednesday at this time, so at 6:30 p.m., we will have a virtual campfire with all of our camp directors on Facebook Live, and you'll be able to join us, and we will be singing camp songs, roasting marshmallows together, which is an optional activity for you to join in on, and just having some fun together. All right, and we'll see if there are any other questions.